Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the front left burner on your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because the burner is lost, damaged, or it's clogged. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So to get to our burner, we're going to take off the grate right here. Set that off to the side. Remove the burner cap and set that off to the side. And to get this burner off, all we have to do is simply just pull up. It's not screwed down or anything. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement burner. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. Now to put the burner back on, we're going to line up these two holes here with the screws here and that hole there with our igniter. So just line everything up. And it sits on there nice and tight. And now we can put our burner cap back on. Put our grate back on. And you're ready to cook again. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.